want to tell them what you're making, Shonda?
Chicken tacos. Yeah. It's a Mexican food kind of night. It's what happens when you're shut in for the weekend.
What's next on the list to make?
I am making Spanish rice. Might get a sopapilla cheesecake in, I don't know. Taco seasoning and onion soup. Smells so good. A little messy, but it's so easy. It's the magic trick. All right. Tacos. All right, bye.
Okay, open the lid for your rice.
All right. My rice. My first time making it. Boyfriend says it's a go.
He didn't want one.
Let's go.
It's my turn.
I'm fixing Skippy.
Five.
Move it.
1, 2. Shayna, no! I'm on your property. Now,
Please.
whose turn is it?
Yours.
Mine? When am I going to get to
You
go?
got Skip. Go.
Oh, you got skipped, he said.
I've already done been skip, Kai.
I just got them going.
4.
Community
Community
chest.
chest.
I'm going to get it. Calm down. You finish at 10K with Hills, collect $50.
That's it. Like y'all read mine.
You can believe it, Shonda.
Yeah, you get that over $50. That's fine.
You just got $50.
Where did you get it from the bank?
A community chest.
Community
Wherever
chest.
the bank-
Yeah, but where you get it from the bank?
I guess.
That's the only place I can get from.
Is it my turn? When am I going to get to go?
He said you would skip.
Trina, he's 1, 2, 3.
Who owns it?
Wait, do you own it?
I do. What is
Oh,
it?
I own it. My fault. Don't worry on that. Ain't about shit.
Wait, is it Trina's turn?
She's got Skip.
Oh. 12. 12. Move me 12, Kai.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Okay. Chance. It says you sign up for a local art class and paint a very interesting self-portrait. Collect $50. Yay!
That's a lot of money.
I think it. Okay. Now I got doubles. Calm down. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I get $200.
You buy it?
Nope. I don't want it.
Why did you snatch your dice?
Do I snatch my dice?
I'm not getting you.
Make sure that you watch how many you roll. 3, 4.
I think it's me.
That's
You're on
yours.
dishwasher.
That's your property,
Yes.
Shayna.
You'll be
Dishwasher.
110.
It's just the money that I spend.
And we open to 7:30.
Okay, can I call an order in to go, please?
Food?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Give me just a moment, okay?
Okay.
I mean, you can put a good.
Can you vlog it? There's like something I want to say.
Hello everyone, we are going to get a few items for the quarantine. Going to pick up what is left pretty much. And then we are going to get some fish. Going to get some things for the quarantine. Everyone be safe. Stay inside unless you absolutely have to go out.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, my mama is in her bonnet.
I may be in my bonnet, but I'm quarantined, so I'm not at liberty to have to look cute. But I'm just telling everyone out there to be safe and just know that God's got this under control. And you guys be safe and take care and have a nice afternoon. God bless. Get some that crap here. I'm talking about if you're gonna die yourself. So you give them that mentality and they'll get it. All this Clorox and bleach and stuff is under here. Yeah, here it is. This is house spray. I get them what tea says we have quite good. So there's our paper towels, but there's the rest of the water. We're gonna keep more water.
Stocking up for quarantine. Coffee is a must-have. Right now, just inside, putting on some tea. Got this movie to watch during quarantine. First Man, it's a great movie. Great space movie.